is May the 8th, Friday, 2015. This is Karl-James Langford, and this is my video log for the general election of 2015. And it's got to be one of the most amazing election campaigns that I've ever seen. I've been involved in politics for quite a number of years, since about 1987, and I've never ever seen an election result like this. It's an election result that has totally changed the map of Britain. It's given Scotland over to the SNP, which isn't a problem to me at all. It's given Scotland over to seeing its will, I believe, to be self-determined. Since the referendum last year, we've seen a big change in the political map of Britain. And the political map of Britain elsewhere has completely changed as well. We've seen the complete removal of the Liberal Democrat Party practically across the country. They're down to 8 seats, as compared with the Scottish Nationalist Party, who is now up to 56 seats, which is absolutely amazing. So what we can say as well, the exit poll at 10 o'clock yesterday told us that there would be 316 seats taken by the Conservative Party. It turns out now that 331 seats were taken by the Conservatives. It's been a bit of a struggle today because I was up all last night, and I went to sleep at 7 o'clock. And the interesting thing about all this is that when I went to sleep at 7 o'clock, after watching most of the results come through, one amazing thing was, by the time I'd woken up at 1:30, it had turned out that Ed Miliband had resigned, and also we see the resignation of Nick Clegg, and also the resignation of Nigel Farage as well. So that's absolutely amazing. And looking at Wales as well, Wales, we see Plaid Cymru only ends up with 3 seats, and Labour is basically the second biggest party in the country. So the Conservatives ended up going it alone, as we now see, and that's basically it. That's my video log looking at the election, the general election for 2015, and I really appreciate you all watching this video log. Thank you very much.